Voyagers by Azad Group is a custom-built work on faux traveler, Urbania and other bus chases, converting them into an RV, a motorhome, a camper, or a luxury VIP on wheels. Voyager is traveling partner to whom? Families with small kids, couples to fall in love again, friends to reunite, for travelers to explore new places, or the one who prefers style and comfort while on the road. Showcasing here is Voyager's VIP luxury wheels-on variant, designed for those who demand comfort, convenience, and style while on the road. Step inside and you will be greeted with world of lavishness. From luxurious electrical recliners to sofa-cum-bed, fully functional pantry with a 5-star category bathroom, elegant interiors to a world-class entertainment solution. You name it and we have it. Electrically operated recliners covered with fox leather, removable meal tables, touch reading lights, Telecom to communicate with the driver, also a small window for same purpose. A comfy 3-seater sofa which can be converted into a bed. We have these 2 foldable tables which can be used as work tables with an adjustable reading light. Honeycomb blinds also has an option of electrical blinds. Window on a window concept, ideal for good weather if you are a smoker. 2 powerful air conditioners, LED smart TV with a Bluetooth speaker and a Wi-Fi connection for your relaxation. Pantry cabinetry for all the essentials like fridge, microwave oven, hot water kettle, place for your crockery, other storage space and a working table. Bathroom with all essential fittings, shower with hot and cold water, wash basin with a wide mirror, etc. Mood lightings, room lights, all controlled via touch screen. Easy entry step with a motor. Stylish exterior shape with bottom cladding work and rich paint works as per customer taste. Practical ladder for a luggage space on top. Upgrade grill with a bumper fitted with projection fog lamps for convenience. Every individual has a different taste, liking and needs. So all our projects begin with a thorough discussion with an individual to understand their unique vision and requirement before we convert their ideas into 2D or 3D model prior starting our project. Azad Group is more than 6 decades old, offering all sort of transport and special application solution. Very soon, Azad Automotive Customs will be launching RVs and camper version of Voyagers on Bharat-Benz chassis plus pickup truck as well. So stay tuned, follow us on Instagram and YouTube to get all the updates.